In Tamil Nadu, the DMK has raised Rafale and Adani again. DMK MP A. Raja demanding an investigation against Rafale and Adani, saying that Prime Minister Modi and the Home Minister should be probed. Going on to say that the people of India will uproot the current government. The DMK parliamentarian there raising this issue. Let's listen in.
Definitely. See, not only election bond, people are very clever. As long as you are maintaining silence, whether it is Adani, whether it is BBC Gujarat, whether it is Rafale allegation, whether it is electoral bond, Prime Minister never turned to the Parliament, never opened his mouth in the Parliament, whatever be the allegation that has been levelled against the Prime Minister, against the government. It is unknown to the democratic process of a parliamentary system. Whenever allegation comes, even 2G comes, there was a debate. It is unfortunate that I was permitted to take part in the debate, even by the government, Congress government, for the reasons best known to them. But there was a debate when the allegation was made. 1,76,000. Now, how much? 75 lakh crore. There is no discussion. Rafale, no discussion. Adani, no discussion. Rafale, no discussion. Then BBC, no discussion. No discussion at all from the Prime Minister. Manipur, no discussion. What does it mean? Undemocratic. This will not be permitted in India by the people. You don't undermine the people. They are very clever. They will uproot this government.
No, regarding this election, you should be. Do you see this judicial?
No. The moment government changed, the inquiry will be launched. A judicial inquiry, take it granted, a judicial inquiry will be conducted. Definitely whoever be the Prime Minister, because DMK will be the biggest partner in the government. Then we will insist our Chief Minister that there should be a holistic inquiry by which Modi and Amit Shah should be investigated.
Now, how do you see Tamil Nadu's
See, advise them summer, why they are coming often.
Aneri joining us live on the story. Aneri, DMK seems confident, even though the mood on the ground may be different. DMK confident and trying to, of course, warn BJP that if there were a new government in place, that they would launch an investigation.
Well, that's right, Niranjan. We have been seeing the situation here in the state of Tamil Nadu when we talk about the DMK. Well, they say that they are very much confident of winning 40 out of 40 seats, including the seat of Pondicherry. But when we talk about the statements coming in from the DMK leader, that's A. Raja, he says that there is no discussion on Adani, not on Rafale, not on electoral bonds in the parliament, and that is the reason why people will not encourage or will not vote for the BJP. And also at the same time, he says that this time people will uproot the BJP, and also at the same time, he further went on to state that PM Modi and Amit Shah should be investigated once they lose this election. So definitely a strong statement coming in from the DMK side, but also when we talk about the BJP, because we have been tracking the leaders here in the state of Tamil Nadu, we have been seeing the leaders here are leveling this allegation against the DMK that no DMK leader or not a member of parliament from the DMK has ever been present among the people. There's a lot of anti-incumbency is what the opposition leaders and also the people here say, that there is a lot of anti-incumbency against the sitting DMK MPs. But also at the same time, Niranjan, what we have been seeing is that DMK seems to be very much confident and they say that they would be winning 40 out of 40 seats. But also at the same time, very important to note is that there is a massive triangular fight which has been happening in many of the seats, let it be the Coimbatore seat or the South Chennai seat, where Tamilisai Soundarajan has been fielded by the BJP against the sitting DMK MP Tamilichi and also J. Jayawardhan. Very important constituency where we will be seeing Prime Minister also holding a roadshow tomorrow in Chennai. So definitely we'll have to wait and watch how it turns out to be. But yes, as of when we talk about A. Raja hitting out at the BJP, says that Amit Shah and PM Modi should be investigated. There are a lot of scams and people are also not really very happy with the BJP because there's no discussion which is taking place, let it be on Adani or on Rafale or on the electoral bonds. And that is the reason why they should be investigated and people will uproot them, is what A. Raja, senior DMK leader and the MP candidate, has been stating this.